Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes, and this is Dougal. There he goes. Are you gonna come back and say hi? Hold on, let me see. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Anyway, if you like quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue dogs and puppies, then you're in the right place. I want to thank you for joining me today. I do want to mention that the winner to my 400 subscriber giveaway will be hidden somewhere in this video, so you got to keep your eyes out. Got to be watching. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's project. As always, a supply list of the items needed will be in the description box below. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow out, and it's completely free. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Come on, join my family. I'd love to have you, because when I get to 500 subscribers, I will be doing a mega brand name makeup and surprise goodie giveaway to say thank you for subscribing and being part of my family. I want to thank everyone that has subscribed and been part of my family for a while, and welcome to all the new subscribers to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you enjoyed the videos and the content that I put out. And also, I want to let you know that I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's super fun. I really enjoyed it. I actually came up with this idea with Constance from ButterflyMom Creations and more. We were brainstorming together and we came up with this great idea. I hope you enjoy it. It is a fall themed project because I love the fall, and it's coming up right around the corner. Fall is my favorite time of year. I am a boots, sweater, and pumpkin kind of gal. I just love it. So also, let me know, comment down below, what is your favorite season and why? I would love to hear that. I want to thank you again for joining me. I say I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and then without further ado, let's get started. All right, for today's project, you will need a glass jar of your choice. You will need some of these decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. They come in leaves. They also come in pumpkins. If you can't find these, they do have just plain wooden leaves and pumpkins that you can use on your own, that you can like paint and whatnot. You'll need some burlap ribbon. So I have this one here. This is fairly new at the Dollar Tree, but if not, you can find just a traditional burlap like this from the Floral Garden. You'll also want to get, if you want, some ribbon of your choice. I'm going to be using this buffalo check, also from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using one of these decor pieces, these leather pieces from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some decorative shred that I just had on hand, but you can buy this at the Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm also going to be using a paint pen, but you can also find paint pens, chalk markers, whatnot at the Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need a pair of scissors. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is with this really cool jar, this piece actually removes. It was a tea light holder that a friend of mine gave me from when she had her wedding. She didn't need it anymore, so she asked if I wanted it, which of course I said yes, please. So I have this awesome jar. You could probably also find some at the thrift store and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shred that I have, and I'm going to just shove some of the shred in the bottom of my jar here. You can add as much or as little as you like. I'm looking in there. Give it a little something here at the bottom. So hopefully that'll work. I can take extra away if I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ribbon, my burlap ribbon, and then I'm just going to tie it around. Now you could also, if you want, you could hot glue gun it too. And then I'm going to add my buffalo check ribbon on top. And then I'm just going to tie the burlap over the buffalo check to kind of get it all worked in together. And then you can use your scissors to cut away any excess. And then here is where these leather tags are going to come into play. I'm going to use this one that says thankful. And I'm just going to feed it through. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to feed it through. We're doing this live, guys. I'm actually going to tie this in with my ribbon. Change of pace. I'm just going to thread it through like so. Get this extra ribbon piece off of here. And then tie it up like that. And then you can leave it as long or as short as you like. I think I'm going to cut some of this excess off here. So this way, my jar looks like this. How cute is that? So then I'm going to just set this aside in my jar. And then I made a list of all the things that I want to do this fall. It is my fall bucket list. So I'm going to take my paint pen and I'm going to write on the back of my leaves and my pumpkins some of the things that I want to do. So one of the things I want to do is bake a pie. So I'm going to write that on the back. Another thing that I want to do is make s'mores. So I'm going to write that on the back of this one. And then something else I want to do is a fall candle. So I'm going to put light a fall candle on the back of my leaf. And I have more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each of my items on my fall bucket list to show you guys. So hopefully it'll inspire you for some things for you to do. So let's see, on this one, I have fall DIY project, which right here, cha-ching, done. Poppity corn. Stick it in my jar here. Oh, there we go. Wear a sweater. Oh, I can get it in the jar, guys. I'm having technical difficulty. We'll pretend it's in a jar. Watch a Halloween movie. Speaking of Halloween movies, how many of you guys are excited for the new Hocus Pocus movie coming out? I think it's coming out at the end of September. Let me know. Are you guys Hocus Pocus fans? Roast marshmallows. Pumpkin spice treat. Let me know. Are you guys pumpkin spice fans? Farmer's market. Apple picking. Pumpkin picking. Which, you guys, my pumpkin is turning orange. How cool is that? Hayride. Hot apple cider. Gather leaves. And bonfire. So I'm just going to put all these in my jar. Make sure you find a jar that fits what you're putting in, because apparently I'm having trouble with these leaves, but that's okay. And then what you'll do is you can put them in there. And then you'll have your list of your fall bucket list of items that you want to do in the fall. These would be really fun. You can do them with your family. You can go in there and have your kids reach in and put their hand in the jar and then pick out an item that you guys are going to do. Like, we're going to go to the farmer's market. So it's super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Comment down below. Let me know your favorite thing to do in the fall. And also, like I said, let me know, are you guys Hocus Pocus fans? Are you excited for the new Hocus Pocus movie? Are you going to watch it? Because I think it sounds like fun. And I appreciate you guys spending the day with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's project.